Hi everyone, how are you doing? Michelle Blackwood here from Healthier Steps, and I'm super excited. I got up this morning and I was moved to do a juice challenge come January 1st. Who is in? Who is in? I'm super excited. The first week of January. As a matter of fact, I need to check which date is January 1st. All I know is it will be the first week, Monday to Friday in January. So who's in? Who's in with me to do a juice challenge? These juices have been actually keeping me through this holiday season, if you know what I mean. I know. So I've been drinking these juices and I'm like, why not share it with others? You don't know what you're missing out. Hi, who's that? Good afternoon. Sarah Leone is in the house. Hi, thank you so much. You don't know what you're missing with this juice. This one, I just made it. It's cucumber, apple, ginger, green grapes, green apple. Did I say that? And it's super delicious. So I'll be sharing with you all these amazing, delicious juices to start the new year. And I know a lot of you are going to be ready to change your diet. And you want to, instead of just sometimes going from eating all that heavy food in the month of December, as a matter of fact, it started in from Thanksgiving. Because once you start, it seems as if it's like you're on this roll, and then you're gonna crash on the new year. And I'm like, 2024, start the new year with me and let's juice together, guys. So I'll be sharing with you. You can have it as a part of your diet, or you can just juice fast. I'm planning to do juice fast. I need a cleanse. I need to start the year out. I don't want to take any of the baggage from 2023 into 2024. Who's with me? If you're with me, you can leave a comment below. You can contact me at Michelle at healthiersteps.com. You can leave a message if you're seeing this, wherever you're seeing this. If you're seeing it on Facebook, I'll probably post it later on Facebook or on Instagram. I might even do separate for those platforms. Well, we're here on YouTube, and I'm saying to you, if you'd like to join me, new year, new goals, and you want to start the year off with these healthy juices, I'll be coaching you along the journey. I'll be sharing my recipes with you right here on YouTube. So please let me know. You do it for you because you deserve it. I know I deserve it, so I'm doing it. And why not join me on this journey? Why not? What do you have to lose? Nothing. What do you have to gain? A lot. Like clearer mind, radiant, glowing skin, feeling healthier. What do you want to do for the new year? What better way to start off right than to feel energized, naturally happy? All those things you will get in this juice. Happy life. This is so delicious. It is super delicious. Tastes great. Tastes absolutely amazing. And what have you guys been doing for the holidays as we get ready? Have you been doing any special routine like to combat all this excess food that's out there? So I've been going to the gym. I'm heading to the gym today. And I've been drinking these juices. I'm not gonna lie, I still eat some of the food, but I make sure I balance it with my juices. So I'm gonna teach you how to juice along with your diet and also to incorporate some of the exercises and just feeling good, overall healthy. And how about we also just talk about stuff that you can do as well. And it is to remove negativity from your life. Set boundaries. A lot of us, we fail to set boundaries in life. And so we continuously feel bad, feel terrible because we are giving more than we are actually capable of doing. And so we get burned out. How about incorporating some self-care so you can give better care by having boundaries? How about that? Let's do that even today. What boundaries in your life can you set today? What tasks can you say, no, not today? You know what I learned in 2023? Saying no is actually good. Saying no. If you're a yes, 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 yes person, always yes, I'm teaching you today and I'm telling you something. Don't take that with you in 2024. Learning to say no to things that do not feel right. Your gut feeling is like, nada. Learning to say no is actually good. It's good actually not only for you, but for those all around you. Because if you want to show up in your best, feeling your best, doing your best, you've got to learn to say no. Anyway, guys, this is Michelle Blackwood. Hope you have an amazing day today. Hope you get some juices in and join me the first week in January where we'll be juicing together. Alrighty? And if you want to learn more, if you want specialized coaching in doing a juice fast, you can also hit me up in my email. So Michelle at healthiersteps.com. Just send me an email. If you're on Facebook, you can actually DM me, or on Instagram. Just let me know you're in and let's do this journey together. Thank you. Bye. Cheers. Mmm. Mmm.